Hi, my name is Jason Moore. I'm the senior biologist here in the Rainforest at Moody Gardens. And today we're here to meet Elise Turaco. She's one of our new birds that's going to be in the rainforest as we finish our renovation and reopen in May of 2011. Lady Ross Turacos are very bright little birds. They're actually kind of unique, and the Turacos have a couple of pigments that are unique to them amongst all the birds. As a species, they are from Central Africa. In the wild, they eat fruit and some small invertebrates. Here, we feed them fruit and pellets. These birds will be free-ranging in the rainforest. They like to bounce around through the branches in the canopy. Their feet are actually specially modified to enable them to do that. You can learn about that and so much more when we reopen the newly enhanced rainforest in May of 2011.